What's up everyone, welcome to another Fast Tip Friday. In this episode we're going to look at how we can use the Canon app on the phone to control the camera wirelessly, and this can make it a bit easier to do vlogging if you're just recording on your own and you don't have anyone else to help you out with the camera. So for some reason I chose to walk up to the top of this mountain to do this, not sure why, but anyway, let's get on with it. So you can see on the screen here that we've got this app running and it's currently focused on my face. This is the app that you can download from the App Store. And at the minute the phone is connected to the wireless access point on the 6D Mark II. And we can see here we've been recording for just over a minute and it's currently locked onto my face. We can adjust the aperture here. So for example, we can make that all the way up to f/22 if we wanted to. And also reduce it back down to f/2.8. We can adjust the shutter speed here if we want to. I'm having to shoot at quite a high shutter speed here. Even though I'm only shooting at 24 frames a second, I don't have an ND filter. That's why I'm having to use this ridiculously high shutter speed. But we'll just ignore that for now. Another cool thing is you can actually adjust the focus using the app on the phone. So for example, if I tap in the background here, we should see a change of focus. And it doesn't help that the sun's in my eyes at the minute, and also the sunglasses make the screen hard to see. Anyway, moving on. So we can set the focus by tapping on the screen here, and you should be able to see the focus points changing. Sometimes the on-screen display on the phone is a little bit laggy, so it doesn't always keep up in 100% real time, but it's usually good enough. And we'll bring the focus back to my face here, and notice that it's locked on here, so if I move around a bit, once again there's a bit of a lag here, but the little square is kind of following my face. And if I move closer to the camera, I can change the focus once again to the background, and you see I go out of focus, and we'll just bring the focus back by tapping on the screen, and once again we're back to focusing on me. So you can use the app to quickly set up the connection. There's kind of like a walkthrough of how to set things up. And to do this you need to enable the wireless on the camera here, the 6D Mark II. And then also on the phone you use the wireless settings to connect to the wireless access point on the Canon camera. So I hope you enjoyed that Fast Tip Friday. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And also hit that notification bell to get notified when new videos come out. See ya!